It's great to have Ash involved. Obviously, I know him personally from my time at Swansea with him as a player. He's a fantastic ambassador for us, a great role model. And the players have really reacted well to him as a coach.
Make sure you're always on his back in case it's a curly one down the channel.
He's got unbelievable experience as a player, and he's obviously learning about the other side of the game now, about coaching.
I think his angle that he was getting it back was too shallow.
Part of his A-licence programme is to get on the grass and do some coaching hours. So for the next 12 months he'll spend with this group, which will be a really great experience for the players and for him. And I hope that he progresses as a coach onto the UEFA Pro licence. I hope to see him as a manager in the future.
But finish it. I've been playing for Wales for years now and accumulated a lot of experience, and I think that it's important for me to pass on any little bits. With me coming on board this week, they're helping me, plan my sessions, plan meetings, and learn that element of it. And I'm working with kids that are receptive to any information that I can give them, and they've been great, the boys, and just little things. And I get a lot of satisfaction from telling one of the boys, maybe have a look at it and do it this way, and then he does it and it works, and you can see him, he's pleased with it. So no, I've enjoyed that completely this week. Yeah, I'm out, so you got to look after Jed.
The first thing I said to the lads, when they came in was, don't let this week go past without taking advantage of the fact that we've got one of our more successful captains and players in the room. So let's make sure we all take advantage of that. And it's been a great week.
What's pleasing for me anyway to see is that the structure of all of Welsh football is the same from top to bottom. We have a model that we work around, and I think that's great because as the boys progress through the age groups, they already know what's being asked of them. And for me to come down into this age group, I already know it's very similar to what the first team are doing anyway.
And just organised when we're up there attacking.
Ash is very much about the person first, which we are as well as a family association, and he sees the value of spending time with individual players and speaking to them about his experiences. Very, very humble, which I think makes a huge difference, and the players feel they can approach him. And it's just great to have someone of that experience, expertise, but also someone with that human relationship side involved with our national youth team players.